Colette, how you doing? All right, let me see. I've got your, here we go. I've got your sketches up here. You've got your 20 pictorial and your 20 abstract. So that's fantastic. So what we're seeing here is we're seeing some ideas being generated, right? And I just want you to know, and I want to reiterate, I know, Colette, you've probably gone through and looked at some of the other videos for video feedback for this assignment. And you'll see that I'm going to make the same comments here because I think it's really, really important for you to understand that these particular sketches are not basically what this is this is the idea generation stage, okay? So the reason I'm letting students know that is that one of the reasons we sketch is not necessarily because our answer is going to lie in one of these sketches, but more that each time you put paper to pencil and you think of a word and try to attach a pictorial or abstract representation of that word, you're generating ideas. So the ideas are just coming out and they're at a rapid pace when you're in the sketching stage. What I always recommend is I recommend you keep a notebook next to you during the sketching stage so that you can write your ideas down. And so, okay, so you're thinking about this contemporary depiction of the Minotaur in the abstract sense, right? So you're sketching this. And as you're sketching this, other ideas are coming towards you. And at that point, you should be writing those ideas down. The reason I say that again is because it's important to understand that your logo, your final idea or concept, it may not even be in here yet. It could be a mix of 3 or 4 of these. Right? It could be a mix of 2 of them. It could be one of them. It may not be one of them. You may generate ideas to move in a completely different direction, right? The idea here is that you're getting these pictorial and abstract ideas down so that you can start thinking about the best way to represent the company visually, okay? So I'm seeing some really good ideas here. I think a lot of them really have to do with the Minotaur, the bull. And the thing that I'm going to give you one caveat is to, when you go into the sketching stage, try to keep things as wide open as possible. So in other words, don't, it seems like you've already made this decision that you're going to include the bull in the logo, right? And that's something that we don't necessarily want to decide that just yet. So the sketches should be really free and free form and not confined to any particular attribute associated with the client yet, not yet. Okay, it's okay. It's certainly fine that you did. I mean, you've done a good job here, and I think you don't have to resubmit anything. I mean, you're good to go here. So at this point, I'm just trying to get you to realize what the best and most expeditious way to approach this sketching stage is, right? So at this point, what I would recommend that you do is just go ahead and take a look through these and really, really comb through these and see where your best ideas lie. At that point, you'll go ahead and start picking your final the direction for your final logo development. All right, good job. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything at all, please let me know. I'll be glad to clarify. All right, great job. Thank you.